If you're anything like I used to be about cleaning, then you probably have a designated day for cleaning, a day in which you will be focused on cleaning the entire house. The kitchen, the bathroom, the living room, the bedrooms, everything that needs to be cleaned, that will be on that day. I will tell you what happened to me when I reached this day. Usually when I reached the cleaning day, I found something else that was way more important than cleaning. So I postponed the cleaning day for the next day. Then the next day, of course, something very important came and cleaning was postponed again and again. And the dirt was accumulating more and more and more. And the more I looked around, there was despair of all the dirt that is accumulating. But I kept postponing this cleaning day for when I have time to clean the entire house together. Something like all or nothing is either I'm cleaning the entire house or either I'm doing nothing. And then something happened, something incredible, and I want to share this with you. We came to live in a new house. That's a part of our journey, which I will tell about in a different day. We move a lot, but in this particular house where we live now, the previous tenants left their cleaning supplies. No, they left their cleaning supplies under every sink. So you go to the kitchen, you see under the kitchen sink all the cleaning supplies for the kitchen. You go to the two bathrooms, under every sink you will find other cleaning supplies for the bathroom. And for me that was something new because my kids were small and I used to keep all the cleaning supply in one place, like where the kids cannot reach them. And it was new for me, this idea of keeping all the supplies under every sink. And what happened in this house that I decided to just leave all the supplies there under the sink. And what used to happen is, let's say I went into the bathroom and I saw on the toilet that something needs to be cleaned. I said, okay, I'm going to do it afterwards, maybe on the cleaning day, maybe after I'm doing something else. And then I went out of the bathroom and I forgot to go back to it. I didn't want to. Anyway, now when I am in the bathroom and I see that something is dirty, I'm just easily opening the cabinet under the sink and I reach for the cleaning supply that I need in order to clean that. So it's like maybe 1 minute out of my day that I'm doing this. In every instant that I'm seeing something dirty, I don't need to go someplace else and then to come back. And this little thing just reminded me of the saying of Yemima Method that life is not all or nothing. Life is divided into parts, and it means that partially if I'm only cleaning one small space in the house, now it's cleaner. And it is easier for me to take the broom and just sweep this small space in the house. I don't need to sweep the entire house right now. I only have 5 minutes I can devote, or maybe 2 minutes I can devote for that. That's what I will do. I don't need to wait so when I will have a couple of hours only for cleaning. Because let's face it, who has time? As a working mom, as a homeschool mom, as a mom with a special needs child, I don't have a couple of hours only for cleaning. So I found this little method to be so efficient for me. I just keep the cleaning supplies in reach. I see something dirty, I clean. I take the broom, I sweep. Everything is much more cleaner in the house and I don't feel I waste a lot of energy. And this kind of struggle that I had before with cleaning is gone. I even find happiness in cleaning because I see the results that it has. I see the effect that it has on me and on the rest of the house and on the rest of the people in the house. How wonderful it is that I don't wait to this one day of cleaning, all or nothing. I do what I can, when I can, partially, as Yemima says, partially, that's the way. Because when you have a big task, if you just cut it into parts, then it's so much easier to deal with those small parts. So partially, just be happy with what you can achieve at the moment. Be happy about it. You will have more energy to do more next time or in the next minute. How do you clean your house? Do you find those tips beneficial? Write to me in the comments. I would love to see how this affects you. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye and shalom.